welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so glad you found my channel, and I hope you will stick around to see what other content I have coming up. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Sue from Glam Goat. Thank you so much for the beautiful palettes. One I did receive back in December, and the other one was just maybe a week or two ago. From winning from your comment section, the palettes, and I will do a separate video to show the palettes off. And everybody, if you don't know about Glam Goat, please check our channel out. I will try to link in my description bar a video from her channel so you can find her easily. And we all need to support each other. That's what I love about, I have a really teeny tiny YouTube channel, but I really enjoy to support other people. I think it's important to support each other's channels, make friends. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids. My daughter, she's in high school. She's about to graduate. She's a senior. And then she lives with her dad for school. And then I have my 10-year-old and a 9-month-old. He's 9 months, my little son. And so I just am home. I don't really get out much, so I'm just taking care of them. That's kind of my life other than this YouTube channel. So I really enjoy makeup. I enjoy being able to watch you guys' YouTube channels and try to support each other. So it's very important to me. And I hope that you will continue to watch, like, comment, share my channel with other people. And secondly, I have this is, I guess, more of a small haul instead of a unboxing, but I had ordered, you know how you somehow, I can't even remember how I got on Colourpop's website, and I was looking around, and of course they had some things on sale, some lippies and a blush, and then a couple other new products. And so I ordered from Colourpop. Look at that gorgeous packaging with the flowers. And then they have it really nicely bubble wrapped. It really didn't take that long to get here. And I just wanted to share with you. Okay, they put in, this has my order, so they have a separate paper in there. And then they send you this Colourpop. And then it says, "You light up my life." Really cute card. And then the goodies. Okay, first of all, this is the blush they had on sale. This is from Disney's Mulan. Really cute packaging. And this is one of their powder blushes. It is Matchmaker. And that's the back of the package. I haven't tried their blushes. I've always just tried their lippies. I'm trying to think, I have a couple of, well, maybe, I know I have at least a couple of eyeshadow palettes, maybe more. But as far as blush or highlighter, I have not tried. Look how cute with the flower. Has a little mirror. So I'm anxious to just try to see how this formula is. I decided to go for, this is more of like a, maybe like a neutral kind of tone. Let's see, I can show that up. Let's see if I can swatch it better. But I have a lot of pinks and peaches, and I just didn't have anything that's really like a neutral. I don't know if I can get this to show up. Let me try it this way. I'm having a hard time trying to get this to swatch. But it's gorgeous. It has a little bit of shimmer, looks like, to it. I see a shimmer. And let me know if you've tried out their blushes. And let's see, and they have really cute inside their packaging. Okay, then I have, and I think this is one of their newer products. This is their Pretty Fresh. This is the let's see, the HA setting mist. I was curious how their setting mist sprays are. If you've tried them out, looks like this. And this one, hyaluronic acid setting mist, I don't think it has a certain, let me see if it has a certain fragrance, or it does smell like coconuts. I was really surprised. It didn't really say a fragrance on it, but that is really nice. I am definitely anxious to keep trying that out. And I bought 2 of these. I've heard about the So Juicy, their plumping gloss, and they had this one particular one on sale. This is the Roundabout, so I bought 2 of them. And I watched a YouTube channel where someone was going through all the different shades, and they're just really gorgeous. And I love a gloss. I used to have glosses when I was a teenager, and I've really continued to get into the glosses. It doesn't bother me at all. Being over 40, I sure doesn't bother me stepping out of any kind of comfort zone, but I always love glosses, so. And I want to try their formula. I don't know if it's going to be sticky or not, but I think these were like, I think these lip colors were like $3.50, the ones that I purchased. And then I got 2 different, these are not glosses. This one is an ultra, it's a different kind of gloss, ultra glossy lip. It comes in this packaging, and this is in the shade, hold on, I think I'll need my glasses for this. This is in Champagne Mommy. And it comes in this. And it does have a little bit of sparkly in it. So, see this, and then I'll swatch it. Has this kind of applicator. Let's see. Kind of a strange applicator. Oh, it's a little brush. I was going to say it really... There we go. Okay. And then this one is Ultra Blotted Lip. Put Me on Your Lips, it says. This is in the shade Vitamin C SEA. I'll get the package open. And this is what I have on my lips. This is a matte. It's kind of basically a terracotta shade. And then, let's see, I have, I think, one other product. Okay, this one is one of their, I think this is another one of the newer products. They have these, they're fruit scented. This is the 4th Day Papaya Face Milk. If you've checked their face milks out, they got all these different scents, fragrance, fruit, and okay, and this is basically is a moisturizer. It has this kind of applicator, and it really has that fragrance of papaya, but it's just goes on kind of like creamy, and then you just rub it in, and it smells amazing. I'm just kind of curious, since I have dry skin, I just really wanted to try this out. And I really like nice fragrances like papaya. So that was everything in the box, but I just wanted to share with you. I've got some more upcoming videos. I will share the palettes that I received from Sue from Glam Goat. Be sure and check her out. And then also I will have an Ipsy bag and I did receive my base box from BoxyCharm. I just got an email from BoxyCharm as far as the premium. They're having some delays on getting those out, so you'll just have to be patient. I don't know if it has anything to do with that. Is it Sunday, Friday? The mask, that there was some issue. Some of the batches had been compromised, and then they sent a statement out through BoxyCharm from that company. And then also, you know, then I'm now getting I received an email from BoxyCharm saying that there's been a delay with shipment. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, or BoxyCharm is just delayed in general on their premiums for this month of January. And then I ordered some other, was it the pop-up or the add-ons? Anyway, so from them. So I've got more stuff coming up. And I'm trying to still get things together for a giveaway. But I appreciate you so much for watching, and I hope that you will continue to support my little small channel and trying to get it to grow. I've had it for quite a few years, but I'm just trying to get more content out there and support other channels and just get some exposure. So if you've tried any of these products or any of the, maybe a different shade, the same product but a different shade from Colourpop, just comment below, hit a thumbs up, and help get my channel out there. And I'm definitely supportive of other channels. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Thank you.